Hello, in this short video I will show you how to create a login in our NITRO Club contest webpage. This webpage is a central point of communication about NITRO Club contests. It will allow you to participate in discussion forum and gain important information. First thing that you have to do is to create a login through our form. First you click on the right top corner of our webpage. A form appears. In order to create a new account, click Register. This is the registration formula. In the form, you need to fill in your username and other personal information. Username cannot be your email address. So I will pick some username and fill my personal information. Please pick some existing email address so you can recover your password easily. Password need to contain at least 8 characters. If the password match, red color will disappear. I click register, and after successful registration, I will receive a confirmation email. Now I successfully logged in into our web page. Here you can upload your photo and provide some description about your profile. When you want to participate in a forum, you need to select our forums. This is the page where you will find all forums. You can pick a topic that is interesting for you and you can write down your question on answer question of some other user. So I will select the forum and then add a new post. How to participate in forum. I click submit and my question appears in public forum. So other users and contest organizers can answer my question. After I finish writing my questions, I can log out from my web page. If you want to change a password, you can click on account and a form appears where you can change your credentials. When I'm finished, I click on logout.